Chapter 4 of CS1, that is HTML. First, let us see what is the definition of HTML. HTML is the full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. Now we need to understand why it is called as Hypertext Markup Language. So here, hypertext means it is an ordinary text with formatting facilities, and markup is the process of taking ordinary text and adding extra features to it. Okay, now we are going to see how we are going to write this HTML code to create a web page. So HTML basically is to create web page where we are going to use tags. So the tags that we are going to learn later are going to be written or typed in the Notepad, which is a text editor. So once you type it in the Notepad, that you need to save it as a HTML code, that is with .html or .htm extension. Once you save it as .htm or HTML extension, we need to also see the type of file that we are going to save as all types files, and then you open this saved file in a browser. You can use any browser, for example, Internet Explorer. Once you open it over there, means what? There you need to type the file name as it is, whatever you typed in your saved file, along with the full extension. So there you open it, and that is what you see, the designed web page, which is an HTML web page. Before we start understanding what the tags actually are and how are they used, I am going to show you now what will be the basic structure of a HTML web page that you are going to design. So here, the first and the last tag of your any HTML page should be start of HTML tag and end with the end HTML tag. So angular bracket, HTML, end of angular bracket. Then you write head, and then you write title, and there the title that you want to give it to the web page, and then end the title tag, end the head tag, and then start with the body tag. So in the body, whatever the body that you want to insert, whatever the design, whatever the type of web page that you want to design is there in the body tag. And within this body tag only, we are going to include all the tags that we want to, and it is within this body tag. So how it is written is start of body tag and inclusion of all the tags for our design and end of body tag. And then we're going to end the HTML page. Next, we are going to understand is what are the HTML tags. Now, as we know, HTML is a tagged language. That is, all the instructions are given as HTML tags. So now what is a tag? Tag is a single unit of markup that has special meaning, which is used to instruct the web browser as to how to create and format the content of the web page. So HTML tags are written between angular brackets, starting angular bracket and ending angular bracket. In between, you are going to write the tag. Now, for example, you can see here HTML, title, head. These are all tags. Now, HTML tags are of two types. One is the starting tag that is written with two angular brackets, that is used to start rendering a given effect. Now the next one is end tag. So whenever you want to end the effect of a particular tag, that has to be written as starting angular bracket, forward slash, the tag, and the ending bracket, ending angular bracket. Okay, these are the tags. These are also called as opening and ending tags. For example, if you see in the next in the previous, if you have seen in the previous example, there we had written HTML within angular bracket, and at the last we have written angular bracket forward slash HTML and end of the angular bracket. Means what? It is the ending tag for HTML. Now, the next concept that we are going to understand is attributes. Now, when you see, suppose you want to give background, let us say body, you are starting with a body, then the body tag has to be having some attributes. Now, what is the need of the attribute is, when I say body, when you see the body of any web page, there are different things as a background you can see, as a body you can see. That is body with different background color or body with different background image. Okay, that body having different text color. Yes, so all that can be given using the attribute of the body tag. Like that, you take some of the tags which have their attributes. Not all that tags have their attributes, but some of them are having, most of them are having their attributes. So when you are giving the attribute, for example, if I have to say that body BG color equal to blue, text equal to red, means what? Attributes are always written in attribute value pair. What is that attribute value pair? BG color is the attribute and its value is some color. So attribute value pair. Just you can't write BG color and then text. It has to have its value. One more thing that we want to discuss over here is every tag has every tag may have ending tag, and there are some tags which may not have the ending tag. What I mean by that is, there are tags which are having ending tag as optional. So based on that, we call them as paired tags or unpaired tags. Now when I say paired tags, the starting tag and ending tag are must. They are called as paired tags, and unpaired tags means where you don't have to write the ending tag. Okay. Now we are going to see the actual tags that we are going to use in our web page. So to start with, I will start with body tag. Now when I say body tag, it is used to have the body of the web page. So all the elements or you can say all the contents of the web page that will be displayed on the browser is stated within the body tag. So body tag is used to design a web page body, and the tag is angular bracket, body, end of angular bracket. And as I've already discussed, that body has some attributes. It is not necessary that you need to use all the attributes at the same time. Okay, and the attributes of body tag are, first one is BG color, means when you want to give some different background color to the web page, then you are writing BG color equal to color, that is the value of the color, like example red, blue. Or else you can give the hexadecimal number for the color. For example, if you want to give red color as the background, you are going to use the RGB hexadecimal combination of numbers for BG color. As I told, to give red color, it has to be in terms of RGB. R, you want only R is there here. So BG color equal to hash FF0000H. Now what I mean by FF0000 is the color, that is red, green, blue. The basic colors are taken as the color value from starting from 00 to FF. Now when I say 00 to FF, it is 00 means that is not there, no color, to FF means that value to the maximum percentage. Suppose you write 00 FF00, then that color is green color. If you write 0000 FF, then that color is blue color. If you give the combination of the colors, then its combined color is displayed. If you give FF00, then the color that we are going to get is the combination of red and green. So depending upon what is the color saturation value, color percentage value that you want to give, that you can give using this RGB hexadecimal number, that is 000000 to FF. Okay, now when I give 000000, the color that we are going to get is black color. And when I give the color value as FF, then the value that we are going to get is, or the color that we are going to get is the white color. Okay, 100% red, 100% green, 100% blue. The combined color is nothing but the white color. Okay, so that is the attribute, which is BG color. Next is background. When I say background, it is some image. When you want to give the image as the background, then you are using the attribute as background, not image, it is background. And the value that you are going to give to this is the path of the image where it has been saved. Okay, it has to be the full path. If it is stored in C:, my document, my pictures, and the file name .jpg. So that whole along with the extension, you have to write the full path for background. You cannot have BG color and background at the same time. It can be either BG color or background. If you write both, then the one which you have written at the end will be the one which is giving the effect. And then the next tag is text. What is text? What the color of the text that you want by default in the web page, that is the value, or that is the attribute text, and the value for that text is again a color. Again, whenever you are giving the color value, you can give in terms of two types of values, one by direct color, the other one by hexadecimal number. Okay, the next attribute for body tag is link. Now, when I say link, whenever you have seen the web page, suppose you have some connection from one page to another page. When you are navigating from one page to another page, there you see that there is a highlighted blue color text. So you take the cursor becomes in hand shape. You click over there, you go to the next page. So whenever you have such link as the text, then you write what color that you want that to be. By default, whenever you see in any of the websites, it is blue in color. Similarly, you can change the color of that by giving the color as link equal to the name of the color. Okay, so these are the attributes of body tag.